Hi, I'm Tanay. I'm an architect and a self-taught photographer from Pune, India. I'm the winner of Asia Young Designer Award 2018-19 Architecture category. I got to know about this competition through my seniors in college. I eventually applied for the competition. While going to Chennai, I was kind of excited as well, but nervous because this was my first time in front of such huge audience. When we reached Chennai, on the first day we had the mentoring session by Ethos, where they explained about how do you present at nationals, how do you put forth your project, put forth your story in front of the jury members who are there. The moment when they announced the gold winner and when they called out the name, that was the astonishing moment. I was super proud that I won, and now I'll be representing India at the Pan Asia level in Singapore. The first day was the mentorship session arranged by Nippon Paints. All the students, all the finalists from 15 different Asian countries were together. The kind of energy, the kind of excitement of being together was at its peak. Subconsciously, you have that in mind that you are presenting in front of very eminent architects who have inspired you through their work, and you are now presenting in your work in front of them. So it's an honor as well, and a kind of big bag on your back. We were learning from each other, and big platform for a student who is recently graduated. So after the presentations, Nippon team took all the contestants and the jury members to a kind of short Singapore tour, and we did the boat ride around the river, and they explained about the architecture in Singapore and what stuff is coming, the technology, the architecture, the landscape. And in this journey, I made a lot of friends. My roommate was from China, and all the other friends from Thailand, Vietnam. So it was a kind of quick formed family with us, all the young budding students, everyone so talented was just coming together and having fun. So before the award ceremony, we had the presentations by eminent architects from Japan, from Singapore, of how the urban designing came and changed the Singapore completely, as now we look at as the successful model of urban planning. And all the lectures were very inspiring, but somewhere down the mind everyone was waiting for that moment of the award, the announcement of the award. And finally that moment came, and I won the title award for the architecture category. It was the first time India won this award in the 11 years of AYDA.
Now to announce the winner of the Asia Young Designer Award for the architecture category, I would like to invite Mr. Wee back on stage.
And the winner, Mr. Tani Narendra Botara from India.
So it was a very, very proud moment for me and India as well. So after winning the award, I knew that I was now going to Harvard for the 6 weeks design course, fully sponsored by Nippon, and I guess that was a dream come true moment for me. It's Harvard. It's every architect's dream to go there and study there. It's winning this award was a huge thing because my life changed overnight. Before the award, I was just another student who was studying architecture and who had participated in AYDA. And after winning the award, it changes completely. It just kind of living a celebrity life for a moment. So after coming, many interviews were lined up with the national newspapers, the international magazines. And now I was heading to Harvard. This award had just opened doors for me at such a reputed university. And yeah, the next day was the registration day, the day when we were starting our program. We were now introduced to how the program would be, the modules of the program, and how we would be curated in 6 weeks. And my fellow course mates were from all around the world. aging from 18 to 50 years old. The thoughts of designing which were coming in weren't just from the people who are from designing background, but there were students from medical background, music background, physics, chemistry, maths, and you just name it, they are there. So this wasn't a typical studio where all the architects are coming together and learning, but this was a kind of studio where young students are coming in and putting in their thought of what designing should be. And throughout the program, my perception of looking to architecture, perceiving spaces completely changed, and I feel like, I kind of got a little matured in terms of designing. I am kind of very happy that my journey landed me here, and in retrospect I would like to say that kind of seize every opportunity you get, because you never know. It was just one task for me to apply for the competition. It completely changed my life. Participate in this competition. It's rather than competition, this is a very interesting journey of learning from others, learning from your colleagues, all the talents from all around the Asian countries, from the jury members, from the mentor sessions which happen. So I guess it's a wholesome design experience which Nippon has created through AYD Award, and I'm super proud that I was the part of this.